Hello viewers, we'll be going over Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. On Friday, closed down 5.8% on the 1 hour chart. We still remain on negative MACD after we were oversold back on early Thursday morning and we're off of oversold conditions. As for the 4 hour chart, we have now approached the negative MACD and we are seeing temporary support from the 150 moving average, this red line, at the price of $22.40, and that was indicated back in September 24th as well as October 1st. If we expand out once more to the daily chart, we continue to see sideways action on the daily MACD, and we're off of overbought conditions on the RSI. We did see a divergence onto the 18-day moving average, the 9 and 18, or the blue and purple lines respectively. So at the moment, in the overall trend, we continue to see higher lows. However, we are also seeing lower highs, so I do expect the trading range to be more narrow and do expect a large spike to the upside or a spike to the downside. And for the moment, I do see the next resistance, if we do manage to reverse higher, the next resistance will be where we encounter past resistance levels back in September 20 or September 14th, and that coincides with resistance levels since then at the price of $26.12. On the other hand, for support, the next possible support level will be where we have the 50-day moving average, and that coincides with support levels back in September 24th at the price of $20.46. So if we do manage to fall down lower to hit support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around, let's say, 13.7%, and to the upside, that price movement is around 11.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.